Ever felt that sudden sinking feeling when you press the gas pedal and absolutely nothing happens while you are trying to merge into traffic? If you have scanned your car and found the P0639 trouble code, you are dealing with a range or performance issue in the throttle actuator control circuit, specifically on bank 2. This is one of those modern drive-by-wire systems where there is no physical cable pulling the throttle open. Instead, it is a delicate dance between your gas pedal sensor, the powertrain control module or PCM, and an electric motor inside the throttle body. Bank 2 is the side of your engine opposite to where cylinder number 1 sits. And while most cars only have one throttle body, some high-performance engines use 2, which is exactly where this specific code points its finger. Before you go out and spend a fortune on a whole new throttle body, you really need to check if your pedal position sensor is actually talking to the car. Grab your digital volt ohm meter and look for that 5-volt reference signal coming from the PCM. You want to see the signal voltage start low at about 0.5 volts and climb smoothly and steadily all the way up to 4.5 volts as you floor the pedal. If you see the voltage jumping around or dropping out suddenly on your graphing meter, you have found your culprit right there. Do not forget to check the throttle position sensor on the throttle body itself, because it uses a similar 3-wire setup with a 5-volt reference and ground. If the actual position of the throttle blade does not match what the computer is asking for, it triggers this code and might put your car into a frustratingly slow limp mode to protect the engine from damage. Sometimes the fix is as simple as cleaning out carbon gunk and thick grease from around the throttle blade that is physically jamming the movement. So do not skip the basic visual inspection. If the wiring checks out and the motor resistance is within the factory specifications, but the computer still sees the wrong numbers, you might be looking at a wiring harness issue with hidden resistance, or even a failing engine control module. But always rule out the sensors and the dirty throttle body first to save yourself a massive headache and unnecessary part swapping.